We start with breaking news surrounding the coronavirus.
A nationwide fight to contain the outbreak continues. As of this afternoon, Connecticut now has 2 confirmed cases.
We also have several other new developments this afternoon. The governor has now declared a public health emergency here in our state. We have also learned the second person to test positive in our state is a woman in her 60s who lives in Bethlehem. A family member of the infected woman is a student in the Region 14 school district, and they will now be closed until next week as a precaution.
Also closed now is Wilcoxon Elementary School in Stratford. Officials there say someone there may have actually been in contact with the virus. The CIAC also dropped a bombshell today, announcing they are canceling the remaining winter tournament games. Right now, the immediate focus continues to be on more testing.
Chief Capitol reporter Susan Raff is live for us at the Emergency Operations Center at the State Armory, where that press conference was held this afternoon. Susan.
Erin, the press conference with the governor wrapped up just a few minutes ago, and there are some new developments and new information coming out of the Emergency Operations Center. First and foremost is the school that's closing, Region 14, that's Bethlehem and Woodbury. They will be closed, we are told, for deep cleaning of 4 buildings, and the hope is to reopen those schools on Monday. That is because, as you mentioned, a woman, the second person to test positive for the coronavirus, lives in Bethlehem. She worked at Bridgeport Hospital, but she lives in Bethlehem, and the concern is she may have children and grandchildren, and that is a concern, and that's why they want to clean up that school. The other focus, obviously, is testing. Right now, the Department of Public Health is only testing between maybe 19 or 20 people a day. They want to ramp that up to 50 or 60 a day.
One thing has come crystal clear to me why it's important that we have this emergency declaration is it gives us the opportunity to get more testing capacity faster for all the people of the state of Connecticut.
Now, to ramp up testing, the Department of Public Health will hire 7 additional staff members. They'll also do more training. We are now seeing a cluster of cases in Westchester, New York. The governor there also declaring a state of the emergency. The governor did have a lot of praise for municipalities, saying they are doing the right thing by canceling large gatherings such as parades and other things. And he says as far as schools go, it is up to them to decide whether or not to close. The governor was also asked if he was overreacting. Keep in mind, Connecticut only has 2 confirmed cases, but he said that he feels it's better to be prepared, and that is the way that he's going to handle it going forward. But the concern here, obviously, is that Connecticut needs to get more testing done on a day-to-day basis. Connecticut got its second kit this week to do 600 additional tests, and we are told the state wants to get 2 more kits. We are live at the Emergency Operations Center at the State Armory. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Okay, Susan, we are surrounded by it, so it's probably a matter of time before those numbers go up. We